Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Newpaper. This sneaker is absolutely crazy, but before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. This sneaker is absolutely crazy, and as soon as you get into the box, you're going to see why this sneaker is a special edition. I mean, sorry about the paper there, bit of OCD, let's tuck that back in. Ooh, would you look at that right there? Coming with the traditional Chicago colorway of black and red, this sneaker is adorned with some premium nubuck all the way across the overlays. But what makes it truly exceptional is those newspaper prints that you can find on the toe cap, as well as the mid panels. And when you look at it, it's celebrating the Chicago Bulls and Michael Jordan's career. So you can see clear pictures of MJ himself and all the headlines that he used to make when he was playing basketball back in the day. Rounded off with a nice patent red leather swoosh and then hits of a red on the sole unit. This sneaker is truly exceptional. It's one of my favourite Jordan 1s of the year so far, and I can't really see it being topped if I'm being honest. Releasing on Saturday the 23rd, this is a FootAsylum exclusive. So if you want to get your hands on this high heat pair, this sneaker will be releasing as part of their Black Friday event. Every single day there's going to be restocks, there's going to be exclusive launches, and this is part of it. As well as that, if you head over there now, there should be 19% off, so you get a good deal all across Black Friday and FootAsylum. And I'm not going to lie, they've done very well securing this exclusive sneaker. If you're hoping to cop a pair of these to wear them, I'd say they fit maybe a half a size big. These are a size 9, so I wouldn't actually try and get them on my wham feet. But people in the office have been trying them on, maybe half a size down. But some people run true to size. It's personal preference whether you like that tightness across your toes. These will all be releasing on Saturday the 23rd of November and will retail at around £105, the traditional mid price point. But with them being an SE, a special edition, there could be a price premium on top. So there may be an extra 5 or a 10 on top, but they're worth it. I've been Chris from the Sole Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid Newpaper. And before you leave, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button. And we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya.